Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash in Portland, Oregon. Hey, today there behind me, we're going to do some, we're going to install some bulkheads into these 100-gallon water dragon tanks. If you guys have not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. Let's take a look and show you how we put these in. All right, let's take a closer look here. So here's the bulkheads right here. They're 1.5 inches. Still got to pull the stickers off. But this right here, the hole that we got to drill, these things are backwards, but the hole we got to drill is about 3 1/8. If you can get 3 1/4, they were out of them. It's probably going to be a little bit better of a fit, but it'll be a little tight. It does slide over top of that, so we're going to drill them right here. And just let me back up here so I show you what we're doing here. There's a 55, that's the bleach tank. These are the 100-gallon water tanks. And what I'm going to do is tie these in. So let me show you. So that'll go right about in there, of course higher when I drill the hole, but this will go here. Not sure how I'm gonna spread these out yet. Probably something like in there, not too close to the side. So those two are going to combine the tanks together, and then this right here is going to be my outlet. So that's kind of how it'll look. So let's do the scary part and start drilling some holes into these expensive tanks. Yeah, I figured I'd record this real quick, but as hopefully you guys can see the video there. I just got the phone kind of propped up on the flatbed here. But if you drill this hole too low and you mess this up, you're not going to be able to spin this. So you want to have enough room to spin this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the bottom there to make sure that when I drill that hole, it's going to be up above that line. Oh, it's about 1 1.5 inches. All right, let's do it. I'll tell you guys, I'm a little hesitant on doing this, but let's do it anyways. Let's go. Still hesitating. All right, it's going. All right, now that we got that hole drilled, let's take a closer look. I just want to point out something super important to you guys. The hole came out really nice, but you see these little pieces of plastic and all, see all this stuff? This is stuff that gets caught in your mixing device, proportioner. This will make you have a bad day real quick. So make sure, I'm not gonna clean mine up yet because I got a lot of drilling to do. I'm gonna put some pickup tubes and all that stuff in the top of these tanks. So I'm just gonna leave it until the very end. But make sure you guys have a good shop vac and you get all this stuff. Make sure you're thorough, get all this stuff gone, because you can kind of see it just sticks to everything. All right, we'll continue on. Got 3 holes drilled there. It looks pretty good. Now it's time to get these bulkheads installed. So I'll show you a little simple trick as far as getting these things in. Yeah, let me show you. All right, I'm back on top of the tanks here. We're gonna take this cap off and kind of take a peek in there. You see that hole down there? These are super slim tanks, and there's no way, obviously, you're gonna reach your hand down there to fish this in there. So I'm gonna show you a little trick that'll help get this thing installed. So let me show you here. All right, just got a simple handle here. You can use a broom handle, garden handle, whatever. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna drop this, make sure it's facing the right way. We got the seal on there. We're gonna drop this in. I can't even line it up with doing the camera here. All right. Give me just a second here. All right. All right, we're gonna go take a look from the other side. See if we can pull it through. There's the seal. There's the bulkhead. I'm gonna put this camera up here so you guys can see, but it's a little bit of a fishing deal here to get it out. My phone will stay. All right, there we go. All right, got the bulkhead. We're gonna move the broom handle out of the way. Come on, get out of my way. It works better if you have somebody that can move the broom handle for you. Sure your seal's on there. The seal's coming off. There we go. Perfect. I will tell you guys that 3 1/8 was a perfect fit. So remember, these are opposite. Just hold your hand in here. Go ahead and spin that. That, my friend, is how you install a bulkhead, using a broom handle and some cutting tools and all kinds of fun stuff. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Take it easy. Have a great day.